My name is Mohammed Aqil and I'm from India. I have been living in Saudi Arabia for past more than 40 years. My children and grandchildren were born in different cities of Saudi Arabia, some of them in Riyadh, Al Khubar and Jeddah. After their completions of graduation, they are now serving in different local companies, as I have served for more than 40 years. I have felt strong, very strong connection during Ramadan, especially during iftar gatherings. The hospitality and loving nature of Saudi people have been heart-winning for us. I have witnessed the Saudis are very generous and often help without expecting anything in return. The health sector in Saudi Arabia is crucial for my family and me. We regularly use the advanced healthcare facilities available here, and the health sector is continuously improving with new hospitals and advanced technologies. My health insurance experience have been positive, covering a wide range of services. Health insurance services generally respond promptly, especially in emergencies. Managing my living situation has been very smooth, and I have learned the importance of hospitality, kindness, daily prayers, and family gatherings. One of memorable moment in my life was when I entered into the holy mosque first time. The Saudi community is quite open-minded and respectful of other cultures. Have a blessed day. ودمتم بخير.